I'm just going to do a quick Sunday stock watch. I'm going to start off with our economic calendar because we do have a very big week. Monday, nothing important. This isn't going to be important. But Tuesday, we have retail sales. Industrial production will both be important, and then business inventories. But most of those aren't going to matter too much. But Wednesday is what matters the most. We have the interest rate decision, so either they cut it by 25 basis points, which could put us at risk of recession, or 50 basis points, which could put us at risk for inflation becoming higher once again. So, this is going to be a challenging time for the Federal Reserve, and we will see what their choice will be and what their plan is going forward, because our economy is not the most stable right now. Even though the stock market's booming, but not everything is looking too great. But, anyways, Thursday we have initial jobless claims, that's important, and then existing home sales, and then leading economic indicators. Those are all important, and then Friday, no news. So, that's just what you kind of need to watch for going forward this week. And obviously, if you're in the Discord on the live calls, I'm always telling you about this every morning. I tell you guys, what we have going on this week specifically. So you will be warned. Don't worry about it. But anyways, kind of what I'm looking forward to going into this week is two scenarios I kind of see happening. Is the first one, Monday, Tuesday, we kind of get a little bit of a downtrend, some bearishness, and then once the Fed cuts interest rates, we'll get a dip by Wednesday. Small dip by, I'm not saying we're gonna start selling off here. I think I could see Qs going to 465 area if we do see some selling. But other than that, the second kind of scenario I see happening is going into Monday, Tuesday, we get a lot of bullishness. Fed cuts rates, and that kind of loses steam for the rest of the week. But again, I'm not exactly sure what will happen. I just kind of, those two scenarios seem the most likely. But anyways, if Qs is pretty bullish this week, I definitely above 475, holding above 475. I most definitely think that we could see, up to 480, 485, maybe even 490, depending on how many bulls are going to step in this week. If we don't see that, definitely back down to around 465, 460 area. I don't know about any lower than that. I do think we're still in a pretty bullish state right now. Tesla, I'm really looking forward to this one. It does look like it really just wants to go. And if it does, I do think we could probably see up to 240 this next week. So definitely be watching for that. If we lose some steam on Tesla, back down to, did I say 240. If we lose some steam on Tesla, we could definitely see back down to around 225, 220 area. Lower than that, that's if bears are really stepping in. SPY is again kind of reaching for those all-time highs, which they hit here. Kind of we rejected this point that we've never seen before, hit again over here, which was like a week or two ago. Rejected that. And if we do reach up to that, I will be watching if we're going to reject it a third time or if we're finally going to head higher. Again, based on bulls. But if we don't even get there, we could definitely see SPY again, probably reaching for 455, 450 area once again. Nvidia is also a very big watch. Bulls step in, Nvidia could be looking great. Same with AMD, kind of go hand in hand, and AMD really looks like a leader right now, with how much it has recovered. So I'm really looking Nvidia to see back up to 125 area. And I'm going to check out Bitcoin really quickly. So I know I've talked a lot about Bitcoin and kind of trading Coinbase and Mara, but Bitcoin hit 60 Friday, but is now retraced back down to the low 59 area. So again, I'm kind of seeing, I want to see a pullback before I go and place some swings on Coin and Mara. So SMCI, not really looking at SMCI. I mean, I do think this has potential to recover pretty greatly, but I'll talk about that later. I don't think yet. And then rest of what I'm looking at, not really looking at too much else for this week. I mean, mainly just tech and waiting for news. A lot of that. Trying to think. Yeah, I mean, that's mostly it. But, I mean, Meta, could be looking at Meta to see back up to, 530, 535 area. Definitely keep eye on that. But my biggest two watchers are Bitcoin. That goes along with Coin and Mara is really what I'm watching for currently. So, and then, my usual few tech things that I like to trade. But other than that, I think this is it for my Sunday stock watch. If you guys have any questions, concerns, whatever you want to know, please just shoot me a DM, at me in chat, whatever it may be. Let me know, and I will definitely get back to you. But yeah, let's have a great week this week with everything going on, and we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for listening.